Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, let's talk about how to make $5,000 to $6,000 a month with options. And I'll break it down to you logically on how you can get yourself there. Now, this information is going to be worth thousands of dollars. I don't ask for anything. If you want to help me out, this video is sponsored by MooMoo. You just have to sign up the link. I will link it down below for the new sign up bonus. Now, MooMoo now has a Invest Smarter campaign. You can receive a starter kit of up to $680 if you qualify for everything. So the MooMoo SG welcome bonus is that now you can have a lifetime of $0 commission fee on US stock market. Now you get a $20 cash coupon when you deposit $100 and you start a buy trade. You are guaranteed 5.8% when you subscribe to any funds under MooMoo Cash Plus up to 30 days. And of course, they still reward you with US stock slice bundle of the top 5 traded companies such as Nvidia, Tesla, Apple, C Limited, and NIO. Now, how do you get exclusive rewards? It's by depositing $100 and then you buy one trade. You get a $20 cash coupon. If you deposit $3,000 plus 3 buy trades, you get one stock slice bundle, which is worth $70. Deposit $10,000 plus 8 buy trades, you get 3 stock slice bundle, equivalent of about $210. Now, if you have only $100 to set aside, can you establish an effective fixed money investment? The answer is yes. MooMoo SG launched fractional shares trading that allows you to own fractions of your favorite brands and diversify your portfolio. Own any top traded US stocks from just $5. Minimum order size for fractional trading is 0.0001 shares, or a minimum buy order amount of US $5, applicable to selected US stocks and ETFs only. Now, what are US fractional shares? A fractional shares order is a type of US stock that allows investors to buy or sell fractions of a stock in decimals instead of requiring whole shares. Fractional trading allows investors to buy and sell stocks at a lower total order cost than the minimum cost of buying or selling one whole share. MooMoo also offers a variety of customer service channels including live chat, email, and a customer service hotline. Live chat and the customer service hotline is available 24 out of 5 trading days and 9:30 AM to 9:30 PM on weekend and holidays. Now, disclaimer, all views expressed in the video are the independent opinions of Southpaw Chat. Neither MooMoo Singapore or its affiliate shall be liable for the content of the information provided. This advertisement has not been reviewed by the MAS. Now, to understand how much is 5,000 Sing dollars, if you want to earn 5,000 Sing dollars a month from options, you have to break it down into bite sizes. So how much is 5,000 SGD to US dollars? 5,000 SGD is about 3,720 US dollars. Now, options is a probability game and it is a time instrument. You can use time in your favor, and in this era of high interest rate environment, companies and stocks are going to be flat. They are not going to move much, and we are entering a ranging market where stocks will only trade in a range and they will go back up to their resistance, their support, so on and so forth, the resistance and support. And why is that so? In 2020 to 2021, we have what we experienced a 0% interest rate environment where businesses and individuals can lend money at close to nothing. Their expenses is close to nothing to borrow money to facilitate their own businesses. Now, fast forward to 2023, you can see and Google the federal funds rate. It is at 5%. So what this means is that the cost of borrowing increases. When the cost of borrowing increases, businesses and individuals are less incentivized to borrow money. Because the cost of borrowing is so expensive, it does not justify the logic to borrow the money to expand their businesses. When businesses do not expand, they will not hire new people, they will contract and even fire people. And this means that lesser people get employed. There will be lesser money going around the system. This causes a net effect of people and individuals having lesser money to spend, and this will spill over, meaning that when people have lesser money to spend, businesses have lesser money to make, and they will hire lesser as a result. And this is what we call contraction of the economy. The economy contracts because people have lesser spending power because of lesser hiring. Businesses want to contract, and it's a spillover downward spiral. And this will mean that money velocity slows. The speed of how money circulates in our economy slows down. This will cool down inflation, but this will bring upon catastrophic effect. It may lead to recession, it may lead to depression, nobody knows. The goal to increase interest rates or borrowing rates quickly is to slow down and cool down prices that are going out of hand. So in the net grand scheme of things, you can see that money velocity slow, and since money in our time, in 2023, money means debt. When interest rate increases, the amount of debt that is borrowed reduces. So the net money supply reduces. And when the net money supply reduces, there are lesser money going around, spills over to investment, because we have to look at valuation. We do not have so much money going around to value a company's PE ratio. This will mean that individuals like us do not have so much money to pay for a company's valuation, and everybody's optimism must go down. And this is why we trade in a ranging market and no longer a trending market. So with what I just said, what can you do about this? If you're just holding your stocks on the portfolio and you're not doing anything, you are not likely to see growth. So you can actually make use of options and get what we call premiums. And this video is not really for the basic, it's for people who have some form of understanding of options. If you want the basics, you can go to my playlist and check it out. I have done videos in the past teaching from the basics of options. If you want to know the basics, start from there. Okay, so let's move on. So as a Tesla investor myself, knowing that the market is not going to pay high valuations for the price of the company, so knowing that companies are not going to pay for high valuations, what can I do about it? I'll look at Tesla's price chart on their support and resistance, right? When their excitement, when things get too exciting, and Tesla surges to a trading price that is too excited, too overheated, let's say 290, right? I will sell a call option to guarantee to sell my stock should Tesla trade above my agreed upon strike price. So let's say I put the strike price at 290 and I receive a premium of maybe $15 to $16 or $17. So that $17 is actually 1.7k US dollar. And if I trade contract of it, that would be 5.4k US dollars. So this is an example. And if Tesla trades undervalued, way undervalued, let's say 150 US dollars, I will sell a put option on Tesla, guaranteeing to purchase 100 shares at $150, and that is about 15k US dollar upfront that I will pay to guarantee to purchase the stock, and maybe I'll receive 9 to 10 US dollar premium. And either way, I get to buy the stock cheaper, or I receive the premium for free. So in a sideway or a ranging market, I like to use sell call and sell put. I will sell call when Tesla gets overheated, overpriced. I will start putting a sell call option. I'm willing to sell my shares, and as a result, I get premium for free, or I get to sell the stock away at an attractive price that I want to sell, and eventually maybe buy them back because overexcitement, because valuations are going to be suppressed for the foreseeable future. I sell put when there is irrational fear in the market over selling Tesla, and I will guarantee to buy Tesla at a valuation that I like, and for that I either receive the premium or I get to use the premium to offset my purchase cost and I buy it even cheaper. So in this era, to really make 5 to 6k a month with options is actually not that hard if you break down the numbers. So 5k SGD is about 3.72k US dollars. $3,720 divided by 3 is about $1,240, which is about $12.40 in premium for 3 contracts. So you really only need 3 contracts, which is about 300 shares. And if you take the current valuation of Tesla, $236 times 300 shares, you only need about 70.8k US dollar or 95,160 SGD Singapore dollars to make $5,000 a month if you are right about Tesla. So if you are a high earner and you understand options and you're willing to take risks in exchange for money, you can actually stand a chance to get $5,000 by taking a high probability risk that you're willing to take to get $5,000 out of $95,000 of investment a month by using options to farm the tether, to farm time decay, trading sideways. So this is the power of options, and it is a double-edged sword. And I do not recommend people who are too emotional to do options. So today I'll just teach this theory for free. You can use that theory and put it into practice if you want to. If you do not want to, it is fine. Recently, I've been a bit busy running my own business. For those who do not know, I run a private risky trading business, and that is why I'm not active on YouTube for this past half a year. But if I have some time like today, I will sit down and share with you guys on how to make money with options. Okay, with that, I thank you for your time. I will see you when I see you.